Welcome to Virgin Media. This video will take you through setting up your new kit step by step. This will take about 30 minutes. Ready? Let's start by installing your broadband. For this bit, you'll need the hub, which will look like one of these, hub power supply, and isolator cable. You can pause the video now while you get them together. Connect the cable with the red end to the wall socket. Remember to check it's secure. Connect the end of the isolator cable with the black band to the hub. Connect the Ethernet cable to your new hub. Push it firmly into place. Connect the power supply, then plug the power supply into the mains. Connect the other end to the hub. Switch on at the mains and at the back of the hub. The hub will take about 15 minutes to update its software and restart again. Your Wi-Fi network will be called something like VM123456. All the details you need to get online are on the bottom of your hub and on the little card. And that's it, you're done. Nice one. Go to virginmedia.com/help for more help and support.